not. Oh, yes it is. Hi guys, it's Ava, and today I'm actually doing a pretty cool video, which I'm so excited for because I don't get to do a lot of videos like this because it's just going to be so cool. So by the title, you can tell what I'm going to do today. I am going to be doing a makeup really, I think. So I'm going to be doing cool, like really cool makeup, not just like a classic natural look, like a cool makeup, because I think I'm ready for this and I think we could do this together. So yeah. Anyway, I have a ton of stuff here, but I'm not going to use all this stuff. Just some of this stuff are just here because I exactly don't know what I'm doing with this crazy look, or you know, not natural look. Let's just say that. So I'm going to show you all the things I have right now. So I have this brush, the big poofy brush, and then I have this lip gloss. I have this lip gloss. I think it's a lip gloss too. Yeah. Sorry. I have these brushes, these eyeshadow brushes, and this blush brush, and bronzer blush. It could be really for any of those things. It could be coming for concealer and stuff like that. I have like this eyeshadow cream thing. It's really pretty actually. I have concealer. I have this like actually really pretty gold lipstick. Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you something. Oh, sorry about that. I forgot to tell you something. So, guess what, guys? So, y'all really love the gymnastics video that I did. My gymnastics moves. And if you haven't seen that, go check that out because it is a really good video that everyone seems to like. So I'm going to be doing a part 2, but this time I'm probably going to teach you how to do most of those stuff, just some of them, or one of them. And I'm also going to be, before I do that video, and I'm not going to only do gymnastics moves, because not everyone loves gymnastics. I'm doing more than that because, well, I like challenges too, because those are really fun. But, yeah, y'all seem to really like that video, so I'm going to be doing another gymnastics video after I post this one video that I'm going to do soon. I'm going to be showing you my ballet, because I do ballet, and I really want to get Wing Chun soon. But that depends on how well I do, and it also depends on the age. I'm turning 11 in maybe a couple of weeks, 2 weeks. And so I'm really excited for that. And I'm also going to be doing a video for that, my 11th birthday. And I'm going to be showing you everything I'm going to do. So go be checking that out when it comes out. Okay, anyway, back onto this. I have this highlighter powder thing. I have some natural colors, which I'm probably not going to use, but I might use this blush and bronzer. I do have the waterproof mascara, but I'm probably going to use this mascara because I don't really like the waterproof, because the waterproof is like waterproof, and either way I don't put a lot, so if I do the waterproof it might not come off. Because I would normally get my mascara off if I ever wear mascara. I don't do this on a daily basis. I have to actually have permission from my parents. Some parents let their child wear makeup, but I'm too young for makeup, and I don't want to wear makeup every day because then I'm gonna have to like do it every day. It's just gonna be so frustrating. But I like to do makeup. It's fun, but I do it sometimes just for fun. But I have to have permission. Whoa, from my mom. And look at this pretty gold at the bottom that I might use. It's so much brighter on camera. I'm probably going to use that. But it's so pretty. And now I'm going to show you this one too. I don't know what this is. Ugh. Oh yeah, these are just some natural colors. Probably not going to use. But I mean, it's kind of sparkly. No. I might blend it in with something that's still... Whoa, this is pretty. Look at all these colors. Like, awesome. And then we got this blush, little small bottle blush. And we got some of this. It's like foundation. And then we also got some right here. I might use it. I'm not sure right now. But we normally don't use this a lot. But it's still got a lot of pretty eyeshadows and pop ones. Like, it's a lot. So I might use it. It depends. But anyway, let's actually get started. So, okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is the base, which isn't like, it's not, like the base and stuff is like concealer and blush. I think concealer and blush. And like, no, the base is like foundation, concealer, bronzer, and stuff like that. No eyeshadow and blush. Actually, blush, I think blush is the base too. No, it's just like foundation and stuff like that. And whatever you want. So, the first thing I do is my concealer. By the way, guys, some of this is my stuff and some of this is my mom's makeup because I just have makeup to play with. So most of this, all the fancy stuff like the mascara, the concealer, all these fancy eyeshadow palettes, those are like my mom's, but not really fancy. Like, okay, ooh, I almost put it right there. Like, okay, I'm joking. So I put it right here. Then you put it under your eye. And then oh yeah. Okay, so let's screw this back up. Okay, now that it's all screwed up, I'm going to get my big poofy brush. We are going to blend this in and look like it just kind of like the under your eyes gets rid of the like bags, or not bags, but like the purple stuff for like if you were sleepy and stuff. It just makes it look like you're wide awake. And then like for right here and right there, that's just to brighten you up. Oh yeah, I always do my eyes first. I mean last, sorry, first. If I did it first, I would have done it already. Yeah, I always do my eyes last. Not really, like I do concealer a lot, but if I ever use concealer, I always use it last because I feel like that it's easier for me. I don't know. I just always do it last for some reason. And you can also kind of get better under your eyes. If you didn't put it like right there under your eye, just kind of get it off the brush and like put it right there, or just try to blend it around that area. Because even if I put it right there, I still have to blend it right there, which is really hard with a big brush. So it's probably should have used like that brush because it's just the perfect size for this. This one's like huge. It's more for like blush and stuff. Okay, so I got it pretty good blended in. And now I did part of the base. Now I'm gonna get the foundation, and I'm probably gonna get this brush now. This is a good brush, I'm telling you guys. Okay, I'm gonna get the foundation, and I'm gonna put it right here on my things. Unless it's out. If it's out, found it. If like the foundation is, if there's no more foundation. Oh wait, I got a little bit. Okay, we're gonna work with something. We're gonna work with what we got. We're gonna work with what we got. We're gonna work with what we got. Gonna work with what. Okay, that's not working very well. This probably wasn't enough, but. Why is this big down on my face? Oh my gosh. My forehead, baby. See, this is why I have this, because like if I'm doing my forehead or something, it's just gonna, you know. What? I think foundation's for this, right? I'm not really sure, but I didn't put a lot anyway. So we're not gonna use the foundation today because obviously, whoa. it's not wanting to get with us right now. So right now, I'm like looking at on my forehead, and it's like way tanner than right here and stuff. So I'm gonna add some bronzer because obviously it's not really working. So I'm gonna get my bronzer. So it's in here, or it's not bronzer. Okay, so I got my bronzer and it just slides open. So set it right here on this little thing. Ooh, okay, so right now, I know it's kind of weird because this is normally where the blush goes. Well, not kind of. It really depends. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm finished with the bronzer. It looks a little different on camera. And by the way, guys, I did a little bit on my neck. But now, it is time for the blush. I like to rinse my hands a little bit because, yeah, I got like my hands. Oh my gosh, they're so cold. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my blush. So, yes, I will. Yes, I will. That's funny. So I just said I wasn't going to use this one. I'm going to use this one. So, yeah. I'm finished with my blush and my bronzer. But it looks so different on camera. It's like crazy. Okay. Anyway. Now I'm going to be adding eyeshadow, which is the not crazy part, you know what I mean. So let's do it. I'm so excited. Wait, I forgot something. Mascara. We're gonna add this and then we add the eyeshadow first because the mascara will just be great. Okay, so we're gonna add the eyeshadow. But before we add the eyeshadow, I'm gonna kind of get a little bit of this and glam myself up. So yeah, it's for like to make you like shimmery and puppy. That doesn't even make sense. Kind of pop more. It looks on camera. It just looks so different, like way different. So I kind of shimmered myself up, and I like it because it kind of gives you a highlight, and it's just. It's pretty. So, done. Okay, so now it's time for the eyeshadow. I'm so excited because I have a plan and you're all going to be surprised. I can't talk today. It's not letting me talk today. Okay, let me wet my brush a little bit because actually I'm going to use a different brush. Okay, guys, so right now I'm touching up my makeup. So I was going to do that color, but it kind of got crazy. So I ended up doing this pretty color. Yeah. By the way, guys, go to the discussions, the community center, and subscribe. Comment and see if I'm going to do a Q&A after, the ballet video, the gymnastics video. And you can tell me what the questions you want the questions to be. And then I'll put them in the video. And if you want me to give a shout out, I'll also give a shout out. So yeah, right now I'm getting some blue too because I kind of want it to be really sparkly and stuff. So yeah, so thumbs up. Yeah, so I'll see you when I finish with my beautiful golden lips. Actually, I don't want to put on this lipstick. Wait, I'm going to put a little bit on it. Actually, yeah. Oh, my tooth. Okay, so I got the lipstick on. Like adorable. And I also got, I gotta put on this mascara. So, yeah. Let me just. By the way, guys, I just blink and put it. So. Okay. And yeah, I'm gonna take this off because it's really getting a little itchy. Ah, it feels so good. Okay, guys, so that's the end of my makeup tutorial. So please subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to like this video if you want me to do more videos like this. And even if you don't, please do like this video. Mwah, love you. Bye.